14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Happy New Year!
The forces of nature are always in motion. As clouds grow, they become charged with electricity. Massive thunderclouds must return this energy to the ground. Lightning strikes the earth 100 times every second. Every year, lightning sparks an estimated 10,000 wildfires. Human beings cause thousands more.
Okay.
Warm! It's warm!
In the Midwest, warm ocean air from the tropics combines with cool air from the Great Plains. This interaction can bring the planet's most violent storms right down to the ground.
It's windy, guys.
I want the fire one again.
I know.
Deep underground, the Earth's core melts rock into magma. Pressure builds,
It's an earthquake.
fire to the surface. Over the oceans, evaporating water feeds swirling tropical storms. As winds increase, a hurricane is born. When it reaches the shoreline, winds can exceed 200 miles per hour.
It's cold. It is cold. Oh my god. We need the fire.
The surface of our planet is just a thin patchwork of constantly moving rock and plants floating atop the liquid mantle. Most of the time we don't even notice, but a sudden movement can cause us to run for cover. Here in Arizona, the forces of nature are no less evident. Every summer, huge supercells push great sandstorms before them, engulfing everything in their path. Monsoon rains fall, drenching the land with fresh floods. The constant storm creates a clouds recede and the rumbling earth grows calm, we are left to ponder the mystery and wonder of these awesome forces of nature.
That was hard, right? Yeah.
Scary.
It wasn't that scary.